Hey guys, in this video, I will show you how to fix the can't add trusted friend issue on Roblox. Alright, let's begin. First, open Roblox and tap on the More option. Then, go into Settings. After that, open the Account Info section and check your age group settings. To use the Trusted Friend feature, your account must be verified as 13 years old or older. If your age is not verified yet, complete the quick selfie or camera verification process directly inside Roblox. Once that is done, return to the Roblox homepage and tap on Add Friends, then select My QR Code. Ask the other person to scan your QR code using their device. If it does not work the first time, try scanning their QR code instead. Make sure the code is scanned live because screenshots or recordings usually will not work properly. Another important step is to disable any VPN connection on both devices. Close Roblox, disconnect the VPN, reopen the app, and try again. You can also remove the friend completely and add them back using the QR option. So that's basically how you can fix the can't add trusted friend issue on Roblox. That's it for this video. Thanks!